Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about black pepper health benefits and side effects. It's essential to note that while black pepper offers numerous health benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Black pepper nutritional value. 1. Calories. Black pepper has 251 calories per 100 grams of black pepper. 2. Water content. Black pepper has 12.5 grams of water per 100 grams of black pepper. 3. Carbohydrates. Around 64 grams per 100 grams of black pepper. 4. Protein. About 10.4 grams per 100 grams of black pepper. 5. Fiber. Black pepper has 25.3 grams of fiber per 100 grams of black pepper. 6. Vitamins. 100 grams of black pepper contains thiamine, 0.108 mg, riboflavin, 0.18 mg, niacin, 1.14 mg, vitamin B6, 0.291 mg, vitamin E, 1.04 mg, vitamin A, 547 IU, and vitamin K, 164 micrograms, tocopherol gamma, 6.56 mg, and carotene beta, 310 micrograms. 7. Minerals. 100 grams of black pepper contains potassium 1,330 mg, phosphorus 158 mg, calcium 443 mg, magnesium 171 mg, manganese 12.8 mg, iron 9.71 mg, sodium 20 mg, zinc 1.19 mg, copper 1.33 mg, and selenium 4.9 micrograms, while other minerals are in trace amounts. Bioactive compounds in black pepper. Black pepper, Piper nigrum, contains several bioactive compounds that contribute to its flavor, aroma, and potential health benefits. Here are the key bioactive compounds found in black pepper. 1. Piperine, this primary active compound responsible for the pungency of black pepper. It is also known for its potential to enhance the bioavailability of various nutrients and drugs. 2. Essential oils. These include monoterpenes, such as limonene, pinene, and sesquiterpenes, such as caryophyllene and humulene. These compounds contribute to the aromatic properties and have potential antioxidant and antimicrobial effects. 3. Piperidine. This compound is related to piperine and contributes to the overall pungency and bioactivity. 4. Chavacine. This compound is an isomer of piperine, found in lesser amounts, contributing to the complexity of flavor. 5. Limonene. This is a monoterpene with a citrus aroma, known for its potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Beta-caryophyllene. This is sesquiterpene with a spicy, woody aroma, known for its potential anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. 7. Piperolein A. This is an alkaloid with potential anticancer properties. 8. Linalool. This terpene with a floral aroma is known for its potential calming and anti-anxiety effects. These compounds not only give black pepper its distinctive taste and aroma, but also contribute to its potential health benefits, such as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive properties. Black pepper health benefits. Black pepper has a range of health benefits. Here are some key health benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound with strong antioxidant properties that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. 2. Improves digestion. Piperine stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can aid in better digestion and absorption of nutrients. 3. Boosts nutrient absorption. Black pepper enhances the bioavailability of various nutrients and compounds, such as vitamins A and C, and curcumin from turmeric, hence increasing their effectiveness. 4. Supports weight loss. The piperine in black pepper can potentially increase metabolism and promote fat loss by enhancing metabolic rate and thermogenesis. 5. Enhance brain function. Some studies suggest that piperine can improve cognitive function and may have potential benefits for neurodegenerative conditions. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of black pepper can help reduce inflammation and associated diseases. 7. Antibacterial effects. Black pepper has been found to have antibacterial properties, which can help in fighting off infections. 8. Supports respiratory health. Black pepper can help relieve cough and congestion by breaking down mucus and clearing the respiratory tract. 9. Enhances skin health. The antioxidants in black pepper can help improve skin health by combating free radicals and may support the healing of wounds. 10. Potential anticancer properties. Piperine may have anticancer effects by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the spread of tumors. Black pepper has many potential health benefits, however, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Black pepper side effects. Black pepper is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, however, it can have some side effects, especially if consumed in large quantities. Here are some potential side effects. 1. Gastrointestinal irritation. Excessive consumption can irritate the gastrointestinal tract, potentially causing symptoms such as heartburn, stomach pain, or nausea. 2. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to black pepper, including skin rashes, itching, or swelling. 3. Interaction with medications. Black pepper can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, by affecting their metabolism and absorption. It may also influence the effectiveness of drugs like antihistamines and antidepressants. 4. Exacerbation of existing conditions. In large amounts, black pepper might worsen conditions like acid reflux or ulcers due to its irritant properties. 5. Potential for respiratory issues. Inhaling black pepper dust or high quantities of pepper can irritate the respiratory tract and cause coughing or sneezing. 6. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. While black pepper is generally safe in moderate amounts, however, large quantities should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding due to potential effects on digestion and absorption. 7. Impact on blood sugar levels. Black pepper might influence blood sugar levels, so individuals with diabetes or blood sugar management issues should monitor their intake. 8. Kidney stones. High consumption of black pepper could potentially increase the risk of developing kidney stones, particularly in susceptible individuals. 9. Skin sensitivity. Applying black pepper directly to the skin in high concentrations may cause irritation or a burning sensation. Moderation is key to avoiding these potential side effects of black pepper. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching this video.